2 ice creams because we have to share. Yeah, okay. Give me a sec. Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Let's eat at the cafe. Pretend this is a cafe. Yay. I'm gonna sit right here. And we are gonna sit right here. Shares ice cream. Yum 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 yum. Oh no, we forgot to pay the money. I have money. We don't have money. That means I just the one who have money. I'm gonna keep it. Because this is my money. Just kidding, I can buy. There you go. So it's okay. It's free for pets. Except for dogs. Just kidding, it's free for pets except for humans. Okay. Thanks. Guys, but I can still fly because I have some money wings. Gross money wings. Look. Cool. Yeah. I believe I can fly. Hi, I'm a flying dog. Do you wanna be friends? Subscribe to Arif Galaxy Cookie. So, or else, you can play your Lego whole day. So subscribe. Hello, you guys wanna be friends? Breaking news. There's a zombie outbreak. Breaking news. Wear your mask because has COVID-19 virus. So wear your mask and subscribe to Arif. Hi, breaking news. I'm a talking owl. My name is Mary. Mary the owl. Wear a mask because it's COVID-19 for your safety. So subscribe to Arif Galaxy Cookie and wear a mask. Breaking news. There's a diamond zombie outbreak. So be careful. So subscribe to Arif Galaxy Cookie or else you'll be freeze forever. So be careful. Diamond outbreak. Toot.